Energy break. Good morning from the mountains of Yamunotri. So yesterday night we reached Fulchatti, which is one of the base villages of Yamunotri. And today's morning started with the sounds of all these birds chirping and the river Yamuna, which is just flowing beside this place of ours. It's just divine. The property that we are staying at is a government maintained property. We have booked ourselves a dormitory stay for just 500 per day, and the staff is very good. The property is clean and all of it. Today we have to trek around 6 kilometers to Yamunotri and come back 6 kilometers. That's the plan. And the time now is 5:30. So I'll be giving you much more detail as we go on. So stay tuned and let's get ready and start our trek. So now we have hit the road to our trek to Yamunotri. Our beautiful property just beside the Yamuna river and all this beautiful landscape. You can see the josh of our people. They're running. One more guy. I'll note if they have the same energy by the time we are nearly done with the trek. So you see that traveler going over there. That's the main road, but we have taken this shortcut from our property, and this is a fortunate thing that we got to see because we are passing through the actual village of Fulchatti, and rather than seeing the commercial part of it, we are passing through the village part of it and can see the early morning life of villagers here. People are just waking up, picking out from their house, and we are walking here. We are attacked by these. If you are coming directly to Janki Chatti, this is the place from where the trekking would be starting. So this narrow gully is from where the trek starts. If you are willing to walk and you need a little bit support, then you can rent a stick from here, which will cost you like 20 rupees. Now if you are not willing to trek, then you have few options, like you can opt for a ghoda or a palki. Palki का कितना लेते हो भैया? अप एंड डाउन. इसको 4 आदमी उठा के लेंगे ना. घोड़ा का 3500. जय माता दी. धीरे धीरे जोश खत्म होते हुए भाई साहब मोटा वाला एक स्वेटर पहन के आए थे. अभी आधी मन बन के बैठे हैं. टी शर्ट चाहिए इट सीम्स. Energy break. One banana, it will give a lot of protein and carbs. 1 kilometer of trek is done from Janki Chatti, but for us it started from Fulchatti, which was 1.5 kilometers more. So we have completed 2.5 kilometers of trek already. It didn't even feel like trekking, it just felt like walking. So 5 more kilometers to go from here. And there the sun rays, it's looking so amazing. Zing zing. आप लोग कैसे ट्रैवल कर रहे हो? टूरिस्ट है. और टूरर्स है ना, ट्रैवलर वाला ना. तो अभी 10 दिन का ही होगा आपका? 12 दिन 15 दिन पूरा.
लास्ट में केदारनाथ और केदारनाथ से फिर हरिद्वार से है.
हरिद्वार है. हरिद्वार के बाद मसूरी लिया आपने?
मसूरी. हाँ.
जाने के टाइम ऋषिकेश की तरफ जाओगे.
हाँ.
Going on the way, you can see boards like this, which denotes how many kilometers are left. So it says 3.5 kilometers. So what this Ghoda guys and Palki guys does it, if you ask them, they will say, और 5 kilometer है, so that you get scared and take a Palki from them. So don't fall to the trap. Just look for these boards. These are placed by the government tourism department. and these are accurate and you can do it. Just around 1.5 kilometer before the temple, you come to this place. There's a temple over here which is known as the Bhairav Baba temple, and he is considered to be protector of Yamunotri Dham. So when you are passing through, do visit this place and take blessings and then proceed this way. Just kilometer more to go. Has a lot of stairs, and this is the only portion in the entire trek which feels a little difficult. Finally, we are here. We started at around 5:30 in the morning, and now it's 9. So it took us 3.5 hours to reach here, and that there seems to be the main temple. The thing that always matters when you are exploring is the story behind the place that you are exploring. Their goddess Yamuna has been worshipped, who is believed to be the daughter of Suryadev, the sun god, and sister of Yama, the god of death. So she has got a blessing that whoever comes to worship her and whoever takes a dip at the holy kund over there will be prevented from untimely death.